Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can create a Gmail account without your phone number. First and foremost, you have to open your browser. Okay, I'm using Chrome browser for this. Then once that is done, you need to put your phone on desktop mode. Okay, to do that, all you need to do, let's say create a Gmail. Type in create a Gmail account. Then once that is done, click on these three dots. Okay, it's already on desktop mode. You can see this is the desktop side. Then from here, okay, you can use your hand to drag and direct. You can see create a Gmail account. I seen it. So just click on that and click any of these, click create. Okay, to take you to this place. You can see they'll ask you, is it for yourself, is it for business? Okay, then you say for myself, right? So you can see they say add to device. I seen it. So you can just click on add to device. Okay, if you have, so you can see if you have password, you try to put your password. Okay, so that's just it. Allow it to load. Then here is where you go. You can see create an account. I seen it, create an account. Click on create an account. Then you can see for personal use, click on for personal use. And here is where you're going to fill your details. Okay, so let me type in my name, enter your name. So my name is Steven, last name is optional, so let me just put endurance. Okay, so next, this is where you select your date of birth. So now these are suggestions. These are suggested emails. So I want to create one, create your own. So I just say official Steven, official Steven E2. Let me see if it's available. Click on next. Let's see. They say it's taking. Let me see. This one will be available. I know. You see, that one is available. Official Steven. So here is where you put your password. At gmail.com. Then password is Steven. Okay, so this is it. Password is Steven E2 at hash. Next. Then you agree